Lower School Science had a great start this year in the brand new Makerspace.
Fifth graders are beginning the year in science with a study of extreme weather. The focus is hurricanes, and students will be watching the weather news to report on actual hurricane activity around the world. To build understanding of the complex concepts underlying weather, we started with the question, what causes wind? We reviewed the idea of density with a big glass vase of science. Students could explain that a marble sinks because its particles are packed closely together, while a ping pong ball full of less dense air floats on the surface of the water. Using that idea, we modeled the particles in cold air, clumping closely together. We acted out absorbing energy and spreading apart. Seeing the space between themselves as particles helped students understand why warm air is less dense and would rise, while more dense cold air would sink. To demonstrate the concept, students took turns carefully lighting a match and feeling the difference in temperature above and below the flame. After some practice with safely lighting matches, they lit candles and used thermometers to more accurately measure the much warmer air above the flame and the room temperature air below. Finally, students applied their in-class experiences to a real-world question. They did a great job explaining where they would place air conditioning vents if they were designing a house, near the ceiling or near the floor of a room, and why. It was a fun start to the unit, and students are ready to tackle the formation of wind and the meeting of warm and cold fronts in their continued study of hurricanes.
That's cool.